Hello, this is Richard Berry, broker associate with the Cisco Group Realtors. There is so much going on at Suttle Woods, but before I show you, I want to let you know that we're going to have a 3-house open house on Saturday, August 26th from noon to 6 p.m. We have 3 homes that are move-in ready, or nearly so, because we're just putting the finishing touches on them. So come on by on Saturday and see if one of these beauties is for you. So I know that I usually say that there's progress at Suttle Woods, but there's so much going on that even this video isn't quite caught up with where we are. Keep an eye out. I'll note the differences in the video. So come on by on Saturday. In the meantime, take a look.
I wanna make you feel like you're the only one in this world for me. I wanna hold you. I wanna make you see that yesterday was long ago and soon it will be sunrise. I wanna see you again. Promise that you'll always stay. Sunrise. When the world is brand new, I wanna see you with you. 'Cause I'm not ready to let this end. We could say all the sorries in the world and still be friends. There's nothing I want more than flying home just to meet you. Sunrise. I wanna see you again. Promise that you'll always stay. Sunrise. When the world is brand new, I wanna see you with you. Sunrise. I wanna see you again. Promise that you'll always stay. Sunrise. When the world is brand new, I wanna see you with you. Sunrise. I wanna see you again. Promise that you'll always stay. Count on me just like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can count on me. You can count on me.